Hello everyone, sorry for this windy video. Can't help the weather. I can't change the weather. Maybe in the future, who knows. First of all, I want to show you some of the new knives that I made. Well, actually that's all I'm gonna do in this video. This one is a emerald green looking wood. Stabilized burl. Not sure if you can see the true color. It's really nice. Not really sure if I'm gonna sell this one. I might keep it for myself. Nice half stop. Lanyard hole. Stainless steel liners. And pins. Aluminum lanyard hole. That's the slip joint. Well, this one is already sold. It's a custom made order. Backlock. 154 cm stainless steel blade and spring. Stainless steel liners. Nice, really nice lockup. Really nice action. Black G10 and a white micarta handle. My Maori firework. This is only the second time I've done this one. Stainless steel pins, aluminum lanyard hole. This one is gonna ship out in a few days, so I hope the new owner will be happy with it. If not, I don't mind keeping it for myself also, so yeah. Another close-up of the barbed wire pattern. So yeah, if you want, that's it for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and push the bell notification. If you want one of my knives for yourself, visit the website or send me a PM. And sorry for the shakiness. I'm doing this video outside of the on the kids table, so yeah, not really the best stable, but that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.